Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Teresa and today I've come with a satin dress that I'm going to be making for a friend, and a satin fabric really comes out in the evening if you wear it at night because it's really shiny and it gives it an elegant look, and elegant plus fun look. So if you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to put a thumbs up on this video, like and comment and share with your friends. So if you have other things that you want me to do, DIYs of different stuff, just leave a comment down below and I'll see if I can try to sew these things and recreate those outfits. So without wasting much time, let's get to work. So these are the materials that you will need that are in that box on the corner there, and your measurements, which you would have already taken, your body measurements. I fold the material in half and then I fold again to have 4 pieces like that, and then I just lay it flat on the table. You draw a horizontal line across the fabric like that, where you start your markings, and you measure out all your vertical measurements. That's the waist, your waist measurement, and from your waist you measure your hip, vertical measurement, from waist to hip measurement. Then where your dress is supposed to end, you draw a straight line from there. So right now we're going to put our bust measurement, how wide your bust is. From your measurement, you need to divide it by 4, and then you add, I added 1 inch of allowance. So for each measurement, add 1 inch of allowance. They are measuring my waist measurement plus 1 inch of allowance, and I draw that line. And then my hip measurement plus 1 inch of allowance. And then you draw out that measurement. Right now I'm just joining all the points of the lines that I have drawn. I'm joining all the lines together. You want to smoothen that caved line of the waist and going to the hip. Give it a nice shape, and you cut out your pieces. Right now I'm cutting the strips of the dress and just sewing them. and cutting the excess material from the strips. Afterwards, I will turn it inside out. Right now I'm trying to turn it inside. I'm turning it inside out. So right now you want to make the inside part of the dress. The inside part of the dress. So you take a piece of clothing, you lay it down for the top part of your dress. Then you cut out the same piece as I'm doing over there. Pin down those pieces, you pin them down onto the back piece or the front piece, they're all the same. You pin them down and then you want to insert your strips inside and then you pin them down again. Right there I was measuring where I want my strips to be on my dress. So afterwards you pin them down and then you take it to the machine and you sew it. You join the strips to the other piece of the dress, the front part. You insert the strips inside and then you pin them down. Right now I'm measuring to see that the strips are the same length. You don't want one strip which is shorter or longer than the other. No, you don't want that. Insert it inside and then you pin it down and you take it to the machine. Right now I'm joining the back piece and the front piece together and just pinning it down. and I sew it. Right now I'm doing the last touches of the dress. I am hemming the bottom of the dress. So I hemmed using, I think it was, I left 1 inch of hemming. So I folded it and then I'm hemming it down. I'm cutting the excess material in order to make it neat. So my friend wanted me to add those drawstrings to her dress, so I did that off camera. So if you enjoyed this video, please put a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until next time, bye.